easiest full flat skirt. If you can't learn this, there's no way again to learn how to make this skirt look 180 and 360 degrees full flat skirt. Is a square shaped fabric. Folding into 2 first and into 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, folded. To make this kind of skirt, you don't measure the waist. You need the hip because there is no zip. We're going to be putting elastic bands. So I'll use the hip size for the waist, and I'm going to put elastic on the waist. So here, the hip of the baby is 34 inches. It's 32, but I added 2 extra just to make it free on the hip. So 34 inches divided by 4 here is 8.5 inches. So if it's 8.5 inches, it means the round here is going to be 8.5 inches after you finish cutting. So when it's your first time making this, I'm making 6 now, 6. And make sure to draw on the back. And 6. After dotting, you take it round to make sure it's 8.5. If it's not 8.5, you keep extending it. So as you can tell, this is 8.5 and this is 9.5, meaning I have to bring it up here. And this, we take it round, is exactly 8.5. And here we may leave it for sewing allowance. Then the full length. So from here now, we mark, so 1/2 inch seam sewing allowance, and here the full length is 14 and I'm going to make it 15 for hemming. 15 inches, meaning from here you take it round again to make 15. So from here to here is 21.5. You take it round to 1.5. This is the skirt, and here is the hip. So as you can see, there is no opening anywhere. It's just circle, full 180 degrees. Around here, you measure again. This is 17 inches and a half. This is the band. So remember, folding the skirt into 2, we got 17 and a half. Seventeen and a half plus 1/2 inch seam sewing allowance. So this is the 18. And that is 18 by 3 inches. So I'll go ahead and hold it and sew 1/2 inch here. I'll go ahead and sew it all round, leaving about 3 inches open here. After sewing half an inch round and leaving here, I insert my elastic from here. So when you keep it here, you stretch it till it is to the size of your waist before you cut off the elastic. So multiple times here to close. So next is hold it here and close, then overlock and hem. This is the finished end. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. If there is anything you do not understand on this particular step to making this full flayed skirt, leave that in the comments and I'll do well to answer your questions. Till then, bye.